We added many sounds that can be found in our indie racing game, Slipstream. In Slipstream, you bounce a lot and collide with a lot of the objects in the track. There is a sound effect that plays when you collide with an object. We wanted to add an extra effect that changes depending on what you collide with. This is why we added some new sound effects. There are now some unique sound effects that play when you collide with some obstacles. There are some sounds that play more generally, but some objects have sounds that are entirely unique to them. Each track has its own set of obstacles that have their own sounds as well. What other objects should have unique sounds? Let us know in the comments below. If you like what you see, be sure to join our Discord to join our community. And remember to try out our demo on Steam.